Pursuing a law degree, particularly a Juris Doctor, can be a transformative step toward a dynamic and impactful career as a corporate attorney. When you combine a strong foundation in English and economics with the specialized training of law school, you equip yourself with a powerful set of skills that are perfectly tailored for the challenges and opportunities in corporate law. Let's explore how your current academic background complements this journey, what a JD program offers, and how you can chart a strategic path to a thriving career in corporate legal practice. Starting with your undergraduate majors, both English and economics provide essential tools that will serve you well as you transition into law. As an English major, you've honed your abilities in reading critically, writing persuasively, and analyzing complex texts, skills that lie at the very heart of legal practice. Legal work demands precision in language, clarity in communication, and the capacity to construct and deconstruct arguments. Whether you're drafting contracts, preparing legal memos, or presenting analyses to clients or colleagues, your background in English will enable you to communicate ideas clearly and effectively, ensuring that you can advocate for your clients' interests in both written and oral form. Meanwhile, your training in economics gives you a unique edge in the realm of corporate law. Economics majors develop a strong understanding of markets, finance, regulation, and the intricate ways in which businesses operate. This perspective is invaluable in corporate law, where attorneys must navigate issues such as mergers and acquisitions, antitrust compliance, securities regulation, and corporate governance. The ability to interpret financial statements, assess economic impact, and understand the broader business context allows you to provide more nuanced and strategic legal advice. You'll be able to see not just the legal risks, but also the economic realities that shape your clients' decisions, a perspective that is highly valued by law firms and corporate legal departments alike. But while your undergraduate preparation is a powerful asset, the practice of law requires specialized training and credentials. To become a corporate attorney, you must earn a Juris Doctor degree from an accredited law school, a process that typically takes 3 years of full-time study. Law school is where you'll acquire the foundational knowledge and practical skills necessary for legal practice. Through courses in contracts, business associations, securities regulation, tax law, and more, you'll develop a deep understanding of the legal frameworks that govern business activity. Law school also offers you the opportunity to participate in clinics, internships, and summer associate programs, where you can gain hands-on experience and begin building your professional network. After earning your JD, the next critical step is passing the bar exam in the state where you intend to practice. This rigorous exam tests your knowledge of both general legal principles and state-specific laws. Passing the bar is a prerequisite for being licensed to practice law, and it's a milestone that marks your official entry into the legal profession. As you embark on this journey, your background in English and economics will not only help you stand out during law school admissions, but also throughout your legal career. Admissions committees value applicants who bring diverse academic perspectives, strong analytical skills, and proven abilities in writing and reasoning. A high score on the LSAT, the standardized test required for law school admission, will further bolster your application, and your strengths in critical reading and logical reasoning will serve you well on this exam. Once in law school, you'll have the opportunity to tailor your coursework to align with your career goals. Focusing on classes such as mergers and acquisitions, corporate finance, contract law, and securities regulation will deepen your expertise and prepare you for the specific demands of corporate legal practice. Summer internships and clerkships are critical for gaining practical experience, building your resume, and making connections in the legal community. Targeting positions at law firms with strong corporate practices, as well as in-house legal departments at major corporations, will give you invaluable exposure to the types of work you'll be doing as a corporate attorney. Passing the bar exam is often followed by accepting an entry-level position at a law firm or as in-house counsel. Law firms that specialize in corporate law handle matters ranging from structuring business transactions and drafting complex agreements to advising on regulatory compliance and representing clients in negotiations or litigation. In-house legal departments, on the other hand, provide legal guidance to corporations directly, often dealing with the day-to-day legal needs of the business, overseeing compliance, and managing relationships with outside counsel. Throughout this process, your dual major continues to confer distinct advantages. The writing and analytical skills you developed as an English major are crucial for drafting clear, effective legal documents and constructing persuasive arguments. Your economic reasoning enables you to analyze financial data, understand market dynamics, and appreciate the broader economic implications of legal decisions. Your business acumen makes it easier for you to step into your client's shoes, anticipate their needs, and offer practical, business-oriented legal advice. And your communication skills, refined through both English and economics, will facilitate successful interactions with clients, colleagues, and opposing counsel, as well as in negotiations and presentations. To maximize your chances of success, there are several strategic steps you can take. First, prepare diligently for the LSAT. A strong LSAT score can open doors to top law schools, many of which have distinguished reputations in corporate law. Research law schools with robust corporate law programs. Institutions like New York University, Columbia, the University of Chicago, and the University of Pennsylvania are renowned for their curricula, faculty, and alumni networks in this field. You might also consider joint JD MBA programs if you're particularly drawn to the intersection of business and law. These programs offer a comprehensive education in both fields, broadening your skill set and enhancing your appeal to employers in the corporate world. Once in law school, take full advantage of the resources available to you. Participate in corporate law societies, attend networking events, and seek mentors among faculty and alumni. Use your summers and elective courses to gain hands-on experience and develop a specialty, whether that's in mergers and acquisitions, private equity, securities regulation, or another area of corporate law. Remember, building a strong professional network is just as important as academic achievement. Law school career offices, alumni associations, and professional organizations offer valuable opportunities to connect with practicing attorneys, learn about the realities of the profession, and discover job openings before they're publicly advertised. As you progress in your legal education and career, keep refining your skills and expanding your knowledge. Corporate law is a dynamic and ever-evolving field, shaped by changes in regulation, business practices, and the global economy. By staying informed and adaptable, you'll be able to offer the up-to-date, strategic counsel that clients rely on. In summary, your background in English and economics provides a solid foundation for a successful career in corporate law. The critical thinking, communication, and business insight you've developed will serve you well as you pursue a JD, pass the bar, and begin practicing as a corporate attorney. By focusing your studies, gaining practical experience, and building a strong professional network, you can position yourself for long-term success in the competitive and rewarding world of corporate legal practice. Stay committed, stay curious, and embrace the journey ahead. The path to becoming a corporate attorney is challenging, but with your unique skills and determination, it's also filled with opportunity. Salaries at top law firms are among the highest in the professional world. First-year associates typically earn between $215,000 and $225,000 each year. By the third year, that figure can rise to as much as $280,000. Fifth-year associates often see annual salaries ranging from $300,000 to $375,000. For partners, compensation varies greatly, starting at $500,000 and sometimes exceeding $3 million annually.